A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, today we will write few questions of lesson public facilities. Question number 1 is, what are public facilities? Why should government be responsible for providing public services? Public facilities are those facilities which are very essential for the survival and development of human beings. Public facilities relate to our basic needs, just water, food, shelter, education, health, etc. are examples of public facilities. It is the role, the responsibility of the government to provide public facilities to every citizen. If public facilities would not be distributed equally, government will be responsible. Question number 2. Why does water flow is a strike in summer in most places of India? Water shortage is not only in Chennai but in other parts of India also. There is big shortage of water in Hyderabad, Shimla, Haryana, etc. in summer. The flow of water becomes a strike in many parts of India. In summer, consumption of water increases to great extent, whereas the water goes much deeper. Moreover, there is shortage of electricity in majority of states of India. Many tube wells fail in summer. Thanks.